something that I added just recently, and I don't even know that Cody has seen this, but we'll go into Cody's record here and take a look at things. So whenever you're on a contact now, I'm going to be making this a little bit fancier, but up here in the upper right corner, you click on the little dot, dot, dot. We now have a print contact option. Whenever you choose that, it will show you a list of the different sections of the database of, the tags, the important dates, whatever. So if there's something that you want to display, you can. You can save those layouts. So I'm going to choose the all. You can save which ones they want. You can change the order of them as well. So as you change them around, what it's doing is it's changing what's displayed in the list here. And then if you want to print this, then it'll then take whatever choices you've made, and it will create a PDF file. This is a big one. And be able to print up all the information for whatever sections that you want. So if you wanted to create just a basic layout and just wanted certain things in there, say I just want my it's always going to have the contact information here, but maybe I want that, and maybe I want my connections, so I can turn those on to see what connections are in there. So I can put that information, and then I can print that, and then that would then print that as the PDF file. So for those people that want to take things on the road with them, you can certainly do that.